Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be cutting and sewing cowl neck top or blouse. I'm using stretch material. I fold into two. I'm going to cut the front, placing my tape on top here. I have 27 inches. 27 inches. .5 inches. Before folding into two is 23 inches. After folding into two, I have 11.5 inches. Then I will measure 3 inches here. From top here down 3 inches. Then after where I mark, I place my tape under where I mark. I measure 7.5 inches. This is the armhole. Then I will bring this way. I have 2.5 inches here before curving from armpit. This is the armpit area. This is the shoulder. This is the shoulder. This is the front. Then I mark the armhole. Bust is 40 inches. Divide by 4 is 10 inches plus 1 inch to sew. Waist is 36 inches. Divide by 4 is 9 inches plus 1 inch to sew. Then hip, I will leave it like that. This 13 inches. Then I will cut here. I will cut here in here. Then I will measure from here less than 1 inch. This is how I'm going to cut. I will cut this place, then cut here. After cutting, I have this. So this is how it will come. This is the shoulder. This is the shoulder. This is the front neck. Like this. Then I'll cut the back. I'm going to cut the back. The front measurement was 11.5 inches here after folding into two, but on the back I'm going to cut it different. The front is 23 inches. After folding into two, I have 11.5 inches. The back now, which I'm about to cut, is 15 inches. After folding into two, I have 7.5 inches. The length I'm going to use for the back, the front is 27 inches. The back is 24 inches. Then shoulder is 3 inches. And the neckline is 4.5 inches. Then I will use less than 1 inch to trim from the shoulder. Then armhole is 8 inches. Bust is 40 inches. Divide by 4 will give me 10 inches plus sewing allowance. Waist is 36 inches. Divide by 4 is 9 inches plus sewing allowance. Then hip, I will leave like this. I have 11 inches on the hip. Then I will mark this way. Then I will cut from here. This is the shoulder, this is the neckline. I will cut here, come this way, and here. Neckline is 4.5 inches. Then I will use 1/2 inch to cut the back. I'll cut here, trim off from the shoulder almost 1 inch, then cut this way and here. I will join the shoulder. After holding with pin, I will go and sew the shoulder here. Then before I turn the neck. After joining the shoulder, then you can use the same material to turn the neck as bias, but I'm just going to, I will sew this way up to where I started from. After doing that, the armhole I will also sew like this, and I will do the same on this side. Then I will join the side. I will join the side and I will join here, and I will join here, the two sides. After joining the two sides, I will hem the bottom. After joining the two sides, I have like 1 inch left on the bottom for the front, so I will just trim that one off, then I will hem. I will go and hem the bottom. I'm done sewing. This is it, guys. This is the final look. This is the back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. If you have any question concerning this video, please let me know in the comment section. Please share this video to friends and families. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.